Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So this is a voice over, and it's evening time, Sunday evening. So should be quiet, but neighbor is doing some drilling job. So from time to time you will hear some noise. So please excuse me for for this. And this weekend I went to Mill Valley. It's a little bit north of San Francisco, 10 miles, or maybe less than 10 miles. A little bit further north of San Francisco, there is a little town called Mill Valley. I hope you do not feel that I am disrespectful to say a little town. It's a beautiful, cute, quiet, and Queens, is that the word? It's just a very, very unique town. And so there was a fall art festival. This town has some famous people. I do not know who exactly. Robin Williams is one of the famous, notable people. Everyone is important, but there are people who more known. One is Robin Williams. Williams. So when you pass San Francisco, there is a tunnel. You need to go through the tunnel and arriving in Mill Valley. And that tunnel's name is called Robin Williams. And also the San Francisco in the 1960s, 70s, the Grateful Dead, and the posters. I think Wes Wesley and Moscow Soul. Some of the artists live there also, and they have. It's a very artsy town, and they have an art festival. So I went there, and the art festival is in Old Mill Park. I did not know the Old Mill Park, so I searched, and I just realized it was just the park under the Mill Valley Library. I have been to the library several times, and I have done some video of visiting the library. And it's a wonderful library. Now here I am inside the library with wood structure, and you feel so solid. It's inside the red wood. It's not like Yosemite, the big red wood. It's not like the coastal redwood. The redwood, they are tall and straight, but a little bit smaller size. Well, it's still one person cannot hold it. That diameter, that very, very big. And the park is like a forest, just a wonderful place. So I went there, and the setting sun shines through the window, and I saw some people reading there. There was one guy was reading the book, white hair, the golden sunshine or the bright sunshine made his hair all silver. It was just so beautiful a scene. I wanted to take a picture, but I was thinking maybe I should respect people's privacy, and that beautiful image is encarved in my mind. Now let me try to. Now I am transferring that image through my words. I think you can imagine it. He was sitting in a sofa chair. The library sofa is not too soft, and it's not like at home you have big sofa and you bury yourself inside and cannot move. It's a sofa chair inside the library. You can see there is still some strength in the sofa. He was climbing, cuddled or very cozy inside the library, inside the sofa chair, and with his two arms on the armrest and reading a book, absolutely, totally focused in reading. I think it's 60 years old, something, white hair like myself, and it's just the sunshine. The sunshine project on him, and you can see his profile. Oh, it's a photo cover page kind of image. It's just so touching to see someone enjoy reading a book, enjoy this beautiful scene, and enjoy in his own reading, in his own story. It's a poem by itself. So I was also burying myself inside the library for a couple of minutes. I arrived already quite late, 4:30 something, 5 o'clock, they close. So I sit for a moment and just admiring the architectural design, the open space, and the library has a kind of a balcony. You can get out, and still you are within the library. It's only a balcony. You will not go out, of the library, so you can bring book outside to read. And there is no table, only a bench sitting there. It's very, very refreshing to see the redwood trees, the forest. It's unbelievably uplifting at that moment. And then I at that balcony, I listened to the art festival performance. There was band doing performance. So because it's a creek, there is water there, so it's relatively low, and so they can actually make it something like a natural theater, natural Greek theater, natural amphitheater, that kind of a setting. So there is performance. I saw people doing performance, a couple of, and I saw also a young lady just listen to the music and start to dance. It's very bohemian, very naturalist, that feeling. And I finished out the library and did not want to go back to the car. I parked the car a little bit further down, 1 mile or something, so I walked here. And I wanted to go to the O'Hanlon Art Center. I have been there years ago, and I wanted to go there again. So I walked another mile to the art center. I had another video about my thoughts on art center, my just random thoughts. It's about traveling, anxiety of traveling alone, anxiety of dealing with the everyday life, stress and things. Anyway, so I spent a beautiful afternoon mostly in the art fair, and on the road just to walk with my gimbal and seeing the city streets. So you can see the city is actually, they call it a bedroom community. It's very quiet, no industry, and the house are built besides the water, besides the mountain. It's a lot of the house is actually hung up in the mountain, and it's very good for kind of a seclusive, a quiet lifestyle. And as I was driving, I listened to other people talking about the city. There are people talking about the history, and I just realized this city has a very active historical society, and every week they have a meetup and invite local people, local historians to talk about local interest, history, and city walk, some new discoveries, some places worthy of mention, things like that. It's a very, very active preserving that place and keep it as it is. And I'm quite touched. And then I walked to the downtown area, and as you can see, this place is relatively hilly, hills, and I have also heard some other video. People talk this place is not so good if you are in a rush. The driveway is a single way, and there is no big space because it's in the hill. There's not a very big flat land to build a large house. Something like, it's more or less like a mountain chalet. Yeah, I can imagine if you want to drive a fast car and live in 20 rooms, big room, have barbecue party, and have entertainment center, and the play ball, swim in the backyard. This place does not seem like that, and there is a spirit of preserving, and I can strongly feel it and sense it. And as I went to the art center, art festival, I chat with the entrance registration people, and they are very friendly. When I finished, I came back, and that lady chat with me. Did you enjoy your time? I said, I absolutely enjoyed this time. And it's so beautiful. The local artists, their artwork, any art fair, the artwork is unique. I have very high appreciation for the artists, but there is just something inside the nature, under the trees, and you talk with the artist, nothing pretentious. It's not about expensive price, it's not about showing off. It's beautiful work, and they are proud of what they produce. There was one artist producing a silk scarf, silk painting, and I felt so connected because I have done silk painting. And I know in San Francisco, in North San Francisco area, north of San Francisco, there is a big community of silk painting artists. And actually, a silk painting supply shop, Jacquard, is in the Marin County or in the Santa Rosa area. Anyway, just a beautiful, beautiful afternoon wandering around inside the nature and inside a very, very human and nature cohesive, live in harmony, that kind of nature. And it's inspiring. It's very inspiring, comforting, and encouraging. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye. Yeah, this is when I am in the art center. And there is another video about this art center. I'm just wandering around.